Once again, most welcome students on my channel Light of Asia. We will discuss short note about the structure of DNA. Now we will continue eukaryotic genome organization. Topic number 11, structure of DNA. What is DNA? Just we see, DNA is a groups of molecules that are responsible for carrying and transmitting the hereditary materials or genetic instructions from parents to offspring. We can see the structure of DNA. Here we will discuss a short note about DNA due to the next topic is nucleosome. There DNA term used many times. So the before discuss the topic of nucleosome, we will discuss a short note about the structure of DNA. As we know, DNA is a genetic material which transfer parents to children with some character, with some instructions, etc. So, the color green showing the adenine, color black showing the thymine, guanine blue, G, and cytosine red color showing cytosine. This is the not actual color of the adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine. The colors are used for clearance. A general structure about the DNA. DNA is a strand, long chain. Strand is known as the backbone of the DNA. And two strand, therefore it is called double helix DNA. Wait, I have given you short note about this. Both backbone DNA twisted stairs, ladders. If you have any ladder, when this ladder will twisted, such type of structure occupy. So DNA is also the twisting of ladder. Everyone twisting have 1, 2, 3, 4 stairs, while such type of twisting making some features. Number 1 features, making a minor groove. This is the minor groove. And making second one, major groove. Making the major groove. Groove means in Hindi नाली, गड्ढा. As you think about more, and distance between two base pairs along with DNA length is 0.34 nanometer. 0.34 nanometer, and the length between two major groove or minor groove, consecutive two major groove or minor groove is 3.4 nanometer. We will discuss later when we given the notes. While here only you can understand about the structure. 2.0 nanometer in diameter. How DNA make the diameter? Because this structure is such type of a cylindrical. If such cylinder if have a circular, so this is the radius of this and this is the second radius, and both the radius is known as diameter. Let's we will understand in Hindi. This is the trijya. This is the trijya. Both the trijya, it means trijya plus trijya barabar vyas. It means vyas is a English in diameter. So DNA structure twisting, making a hollow structure, making a pipe like structure, it means it have a diameter. Such diameter is 2.0 nanometer. It means 2 nanometer. Two consecutive, it means this is the minor groove, this is the minor groove. Two consecutive minor groove have 10 base pair. Let's we see the structure and we see the notes. You can draw the structure of DNA. Let's we see the short note. DNA have some features are following. Number one, as we see the structure in prior, let's we see the short note. You think about this. DNA diameter is 2.0 nanometer. As we see in structure, the distance between two base pairs along with DNA length is 1 nanometer. This word we will discuss small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. The along this is the length of DNA. So along with DNA, this is the distance between 0.34 nanometer. Not distance between such type of length. Now along with DNA, this is the along with, this is the perpendicular DNA. Along with DNA, distance means two base pair, this distance. Okay. Next topic, DNA chain have two types of grooves as minor and major grooves, regular time of intervals. Regular time of intervals, it means the DNA This is the major group, 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 this is the minor group, this is the minor group, this is the minor group. Such type of major and minor, major and minor, major and minor. The regular time of intervals incoming of the major and minor groups. Fourth topic, distance between two consecutive major group. Consecutive major groove or minor groove have 3.4 nanometer. Let's see here. Suppose that this is the minor, this is the major, this is the minor, this is the major, this is the minor, this is the major groove. Suppose that two consecutive major group or two consecutive minor groups. Distance always 3.4 nanometer. Let's see. Suppose that this is the major, this is the major, this is the major. Suppose this is the major, measures 3.4 nanometer and this is the 3.4 nanometer. So next topic, DNA have 10 base pair between two consecutive major or minor. Always two major groups or two minor groups have 10 base pair. How? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. You can calculate 4 to 4 8 while 1 is in the center. Suppose that this is the ladder and if the twist, this is the stair, both ladder, this is the ladder stair. Suppose that in front of you, you can see easily. If this twisted, you can't see. So therefore, where the cross of the DNA strand, here one base pair is occupied. So here the occupy, here the occupy, here the base pairs. So continue to counting, start from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 base pair between two major or two minor group. Point number 6. Now we can try to explain 10 base pair is equal to 3.4 nanometer. How? I am trying to explain that. As we know distance between two base pair, distance between base pairs along with DNA, distance between base pairs along with DNA equal 0.34 nanometer. So we can know two major group have 10 base pair. How? The two major group have 10 base pair, therefore distance between 10 base pair along with DNA equal to 10 into 0.34, it means this is the multiply and solve it, we can got the 3.4 nanometer. Answered that. You can copy it. Next one is 7. Double helix DNA is twisted ladder or spiral staircase. It means when this is the ladder, ladder become twisted. Later ladder became twisted. So next 8. DNA backbone. This is the backbone, both side are deoxyribose. If you understand what is the deoxyribose, so please you can go my before videos. Alternate with phosphate, it means ribose, deoxyribose, phosphate, deoxyribose, phosphate, deoxyribose and continue. It means deoxyribose, phosphate, phosphate, deoxyribose, ribose, phosphate, deoxyribose, phosphate, deoxyribose, phosphate. This is the continue. Make the backbone of DNA. 9th, middle part of DNA helix have nitrogenous base. Middle part means if the twisting is removed, you can get the ladder. This is the side structure, this is the middle part, this is the middle part, this is the middle part made up of 4 nitrogenous bases. Next, and this short note, last point, have the backbone of the DNA have phosphodiester. If you understand what is the phosphodiester, you can see my before videos laid down at my playlist. Alternate with regular intervals.